Welcome to the heart of Manhattan, where luxury meets modern edge. Today, we're checking into the stunning Andaz Fifth Avenue, a Hyatt concept that's as bold as the city it lives in. Whether you're here for Fashion Week, business, or just soaking in New York energy, this place is a vibe. Let's check it out. The moment you walk into the lobby, you'll notice this isn't your typical hotel entrance. There's no grand chandelier or velvet ropes. Instead, it's cool, calm, and quietly luxurious. Check-in is casual and personal, just hosts ready to welcome you at the small central desk. It's fast, friendly, and feels like checking into a private residence more than a traditional hotel. We sipped on some complimentary coffee and tea while waiting for our room to be ready. And honestly, it was a perfect way to settle into the space. The seating area is super cozy, tucked away from the buzz of Fifth Avenue, with soft lighting and a laid-back lounge-like feel. Now, let's make our way to our room on the 4th floor. Let's take a look at room 410 here at the Andaz Fifth Avenue in New York City. This is a king room. So as soon as you walk in, there's this nice living room area. Check it out. It's a big screen TV and a very spacious working desk. And over here, they have some of the dining options we have here at the hotel. Let's take a look at our view of the buildings across the hotel. There's a very comfy lounging couch right there, a small table, and this lamp has some plugs on it so you can charge your devices. There's the phone if you need to contact the front desk. And over here, there's a wellness menu. I'm not sure what they have there, but you can scan the QR code and check it out if you want to. And Andaz is known for its snacks. So there's complimentary drinks and snacks here. Those bottled waters and this chips and chocolate are complimentary. And these items are for purchase. And here is the pricing on those items. There's also a small fridge below. So these drinks up top are complimentary, while the ones on the bottom are for purchase. Let's close that up. I'm not sure what's in this. Probably a safe. All right, there's a safe right there. And some more storage above. Here's a quick look at the bedroom. But first, let's make our way to this very nice bathroom. So let's open up the double doors. They have some nice art pieces on the doors, which is very interesting. Dual sinks with this very unique mirror. Goes very high up there. And these are the products they use here. They use Fellow. There's the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And check out this very luxurious shower. I'm not sure what that's for. Is that for your feet? If you know, you can comment in the description. And there's a very high rainfall shower. And it also has a handheld shower right here. You can take that, yep, right there. And the toilet is right here. It's very interesting here because there's another door. So there's another door that goes out to the bedroom. And there's also the double door. So I guess if you want more privacy, you can close these doors up. Let's close this up. So now you have more privacy when taking a shower. And here's one of the bathrobes.
I think there's another bathrobe in the closet, which we'll take a look at. So there's this fancy looking red Bluetooth speaker here, and some more plugs right beside the bed. And those are the controls for your light and the air conditioning and heater. You can adjust the temperature. Some more storage here. And this is a very comfy king size bed. But look how spacious it looks here because of the high ceilings. It makes the room feel way bigger than it is, but this is still a pretty big standard size room. Here's the big screen TV, and over here is the closet. So it comes with another bathrobe. There's the ironing board, couple of slippers, and iron below. And we have this pretty much the same view from the living room area, just a view of the building across the street. And on this side of the bed, there's additional controls for the lights and the shades, and some more plugs, plus another phone. So there's 2 phones in this room if you need to contact the receptionist. So overall, it's a very luxurious room here at the Andaz 5th Avenue in New York City.
The bar downstairs and kitchen is a hidden gem that draws locals just as much as guests. Small plates, craft cocktails, and cozy lighting. Perfect for a low-key nightcap or a quick bite before hitting the town. Breakfast is served daily from 6:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. and it's a relaxing way to ease into your day here at Andaz. We kick things off with a refreshing green juice and a perfectly foamed cappuccino. Light, healthy, and just the right start. I went with the avocado toast, beautifully plated, fresh, and full of flavor. Bev ordered the breakfast sandwich, which was hearty and delicious, definitely a solid choice. Lunch and dinner are served daily from 1:30 to 10 p.m. The dining space transforms at night with a moody, upscale vibe, perfect for winding down after a busy city day. If you'd like to enjoy a glass of wine before dinner, don't miss the complimentary wine hour in the lobby, offered daily from 5 to 8 p.m. It's a great way to unwind and soak in the relaxed Andaz atmosphere before heading out to dinner. For dinner, I had a juicy skirt steak, flavorful and cooked to perfection. Bev went with a short rib ragu, which was just okay, a bit underwhelming compared to my dish. Overall, the ambiance was excellent, modern, cozy, and stylish. And while not every dish blew us away, the food was pretty good and definitely worth trying if you're staying here. Before getting my day started, I got in a quick workout at the hotel's 24-hour fitness center. It's well equipped with modern Technogym machines, Peloton bikes, free weights, and a dedicated stretching area. Andaz 5th Avenue isn't just for leisure. It's also a standout spot for meetings, events, and intimate gatherings. The event spaces here strike a perfect balance between sleek and stylish. Think floor-to-ceiling windows, industrial design touches, and flexible layouts that can host anything from corporate boardrooms to cocktail receptions. And just a quick note, along the hallways of the event spaces is where you'll find the elevator leading to the hotel's separate North Tower. The hotel features a rotation of artist installation in its 5th Avenue gallery. During our visit, New York City-based florist Luisa Bojorquez masterfully transformed the gallery into an oasis of tranquility, inviting guests to pause and immerse themselves in her floral wonderland. If you forgot to bring your laptop or just need to hop online for a bit, there's a convenient computer station available right by the lobby, perfect for checking emails or printing boarding passes. One of the advantages of staying at Andaz 5th Avenue is its close proximity to the city's attractions. You're right across the street from the New York Public Library and Bryant Park. It's also a quick 10-minute walk to popular attractions like Times Square and the Empire State Building, just to name a few. Our stay at Andaz 5th Avenue was everything we hoped for: stylish, relaxing, and perfectly located in the heart of Manhattan. From the sleek, loft-inspired rooms to thoughtful touches like the complimentary wine hour and the on-site restaurant, this hotel truly delivered a luxurious New York experience from start to finish. If you're looking for a stay that blends modern design, 5-star comfort, and unbeatable location, Andaz 5th Avenue is absolutely worth it. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think of this hotel and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury hotel tours.